Hello and welcome to Matt Reviews Books. I am Matt, and this is usually a book review channel, but not this week. This week is Sunday. This week is National Novel Writing Month. That's November, and that is the challenge for National Novel Writing Month is to write 50,000 words in 30 days. 1,667 words, roughly. Per day. And we are on week 3. It is now day 15. We won't talk about week 2. That's the redheaded stepchild of this effort. Unfortunately, I think today is 2. I got some writing done, not as much as I wanted. I think I get this done before the end of the month. Well, I think I'll get this done at the end of the month. This'll work out. So tonight, after a couple of hours of working, about 2 hours, I was able to write 760 words. I'm going to stop staring at the computer screen and stare in an unfocused manner somewhere else. Maybe I need new glasses. On to day 14. All right. Welcome to... What day is it? Day 16. It's November 16. And so it's day 16 of National Novel Writing Month. It's Monday, and I got words written. I spent less time messing around trying to do clever B-roll and video making, which is a sacrifice, but it gave me more time to actually write. And today, between before work and after work, which was probably a good 2 hours, 2 hours after work and about an hour before work, managed to write 1,792 words. Doesn't make up for the deficit that I'm in for the month, but, I'm there. I made my words, and that's good. Pushed the story along. Also, I broke 60,000 words total on the manuscript. So, that's that. That's the update. It's quick. It's sweet. Unto tomorrow. While sorting the video clips from the subsequent week, I was struck by how little there was of me discussing my writing. Indeed, I hadn't written much of anything for National Novel Writing Month, but I had a lot of video of my cats, of rain, and the thermometer showing how cold it has been at times this week. So, in a last-minute decision, I revamped my plan for this week's video. And by last minute, I mean while I was editing on Saturday for the video on Sunday. In fact, I'm still composing this voiceover script at 9:43 a.m. I'm not sure if I'll have this video up on my declared Sunday deadline. With that, I think it's time for the not annual YouTube niche crossover event, Making Cranberries. Primarily, this is because I need to make cranberries for Thanksgiving, even if I'm not having guests this year, because COVID. If you want to make cranberries that actually have texture and flavor beyond wiggly-jiggly jellied canned cranberry sauce, this video is for you. First, this recipe is for a lot of cranberries. Ratios of ingredients work on a smaller scale. What you'll need is 3 pounds cranberries, rinsed and picked through, 3 cups sugar, half cup water, 1.5 cups orange juice, squeeze it yourself so you can use the oranges for zest, 6 teaspoons orange zest, give or take, and 4 sticks of cinnamon. Use a stock pot with a heavy bottom for better heat control. If you have a favorite candy making pot, use that. Add 3 cups sugar, half cup water, 3 pounds cranberries. Throw in 4 sticks of cinnamon. add your orange juice, 1.5 cups, remember, and then your zest, both your orange zest and your personal zest for life. Bring to a simmer and cook until sauce coats the back of a spoon and has a thick drip, much like making jam. Add a pinch of kosher salt to help brighten flavors. Next, we'll can our cranberries using the water bath method. This recipe makes about 4.5 pints or 7.5 pints in 1 whole pint, which is what I ended up with. Process for 20 minutes. Remove jars to cool. Go watch Game of Thrones on Hulu. I'll see you next week. If this was interesting or even somewhat amusing, click like. If you want to follow along as I flail and fail to finish a novel, or if you want to learn about new to you books, then subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be alarmed when I upload. Thanks for watching.